Hello, everybody. Dr. Simplicity here, coming to you again to report on the outcome of trade 005. Many apologies. I should have brought this to you sooner, but I had so much on my plate and I just couldn't do it. Anyway, I'm here today, to show you the outcome of that trade. Before we delve into it, good to remind ourselves of what this is all about. First, the disclaimer, as you can see on the screen there, all summarized in the last paragraph. All persons who choose to acquire or use any of Dr. Simplicity trading book, manual, or videos do so at their own risk. They are encouraged to discuss with an appropriately licensed financial market advisor regarding the suitability of trading or of any particular trading strategy. Again, the must read is all very clear. And again, at the bottom, the very last sentence says that all this presentation is published as a personal exercise and should not be relied upon for purposes of trading the markets. In this case, the Forex markets is what we're talking about, Forex and futures market. So we are talking about the Forex and futures market. And if you don't know what we're talking about, I would advise you to encourage you rather to have a look at the previous videos we've done concerning this particular thing we're doing. We're just going to be looking at a number of trades over the next 12 months. We are on the fifth. This is the fifth trade. So we have 7 more to go, really. For each trade setup, we know there can only be one of 3 outcomes. Either the orders are triggered and trade is stopped out for a loss, orders are triggered and trade closes for a profit, or orders are not triggered by the good till date period and deleted. Again, just some words of wisdom there when it comes to trading at the top there. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you like what you've seen so far, do click the like button and subscribe to the channel so you can see all our updates. So back to the trade itself. What was it that we were trying to achieve in that trade 005? If I could expand this, where is that? If I could expand this better. I think I messed that up. Okay, trade 005. Get that out of the way. Yeah, there we go. I'll get this expanded. Where is it? Yeah, so that's it. That's it. Great. So this is the setup for our trade of Friday, September 1st, 2023, the non-farm news. And we had a setup to sell at the white line. Here, the market closed here on that Friday. And we're hoping that market will track up to the white line and fill our order, which is here, and hopefully drop down to profit to the yellow line. Okay, and we had this set up on that date, on the Friday or shortly after the news, or at the end of the trading day. We set this up with intention that after the 15th of September, if this order wasn't triggered, we will delete the order. And to the left here, we have all the parameters. We had a starting capital of 9216, and total risk was meant to be £460. And if you make profit, we were hoping to make a profit of 78960. Essentially, that's a setup. So I'm going to close this down if I can. Yeah, I still need to get to grips to using these. Yeah, that's what I want. Okay, great. So if I drop this down a little bit back to where it was before and bring on the outcome, the trade outcome, what happened? So how did this trade go? Let's have a look at the real chart. So this is a trade outcome after we placed that trade. Which was on this date, the 1st of September. We were hoping the market would track up. It did make an attempt to track up, but it didn't quite get to the destination. Rather, the market zigzagged its way all the way down. And by the 15th on this date, as you can see, we were far, far, far away from our entry zone, our entry sell zone. So therefore, according to our rule of trading, if this wasn't triggered by that good till date of the 15th of September, which we have here, we will delete the order. And that is what we did. So the outcome for trade 005 is that the orders were not filled as of the good till date. And so we deleted the orders. Therefore, our total profit is 0. We haven't made anything. We haven't lost anything. And this is, one of the outcomes we outlined right at the beginning of our research, into what trading is all about. Okay, let's see if we can drop this off again. So if we haven't made any profit, what then is our spreadsheet looking at? Our trade record spreadsheet if we haven't made any profit? And as you can see, if you're going to make that recording for September, I've highlighted that there. Our trade in August didn't go well. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4 trades so far. Only one has gone well, the one in July. And we started with a deposit of 10,000. We're down to 9,216. And now our September trade, we didn't make any profit by the good till date of 15. So we're going to put that here as a 0. And that shouldn't change. It shouldn't change the bottom line in terms of where our next starting deposit will be. Our next starting deposit will be will still remain 9216.7. That's the nature of the game. We haven't made any gains or losses on this occasion, and we're happy to, record that as a 0. So far we have had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. 3 have been losses. Only 1 has been good in terms of profit so far, the one in July. And the one in September, nothing, no gain, no loss. And so for our next trade, our starting capital remains 9216.7. And essentially, this is the nature of the game of trading. When I say game, I'm referring to trading. And all we can hope for is that the next trade will show something more positive. We don't know that. I will bring that to you very, very shortly, because as a matter of fact, that trade has already taken place. And I'll bring that to you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic evening. Bye for now.